Okay, so I might have blacked out a little bit on Amazon Prime this year, but if you're a creator or a filmmaker, I'm sure you might feel the same way. I loaded up my cart with filmmaking gear, and I'm gonna show you what I got, what it cost me, and then what the original cost was, so that next time maybe you can snag some gear too. The first thing I got was this mic boom arm, which is nothing fancy. It was 23 bucks, originally $30, so I got $7 savings, but it allows me to be hands-free in my videos, which is sweet. And I'll probably have it out of frame, but just for this video, I had it in here because I just got it, so pretty sweet. This next one was a huge win. I got a Samsung T7 Portable SSD, 2 terabytes, and this thing is gonna be great for editing. It's got the rugged outer, so it's really good for travel. It's super tiny, it fits in your pocket, and it's blazing fast for video editing. This bad boy is originally 285 bucks, and I paid 152. And it might be kind of silly, but the beige only came in a 2 terabyte. That's all they had available. So I only got 2 terabytes because of the color. The next thing is this SmallRig Flashlight. And I've been seeing some people post about this, and I finally figured I'd snag it on Prime Day. Saved about 10 bucks, got it for 42, originally at 52. But this thing is really cool because you can put it on your wall in the background and have different colors and shapes and all that stuff. And it just kind of adds a little bit more dynamics to your videos. And to go with that, you can never have too many tripods. So I got this tripod. It was originally 40 bucks, got it for 25. So pretty good deal. It's super cheap. You could just screw the flashlight on the top of the tripod. And I like how small and compact this thing is. So if you rig out your camera, this next thing is gonna be super, super clutch. And it's a V-mount battery. So you can use this to power your camera rig, and then you're not changing batteries throughout your shoot. This thing just mounts to the back. You can plug in your camera, your external monitor, you can plug it into a light. It's super nice to have, and I'm gonna be using this in a lot of my shoots. This was originally $269, and I got it for $215, so pretty solid deal. Speaking of my rig, I got this teeny tiny mount for my SmallRig cage, and this is to mount my Insta360 so I can get behind the scenes video while I'm at my shoots, which I just did when I shot for Portillo's, which was freaking awesome. Nothing fancy, just super practical. Normally 20 bucks, got it for 13. Couple honorable mentions. I got a new Sony Battery, which this was actually not on Prime Day. It paid the full $86. But you can never have too many batteries. The next honorable mention is a CFExpress Type A, which I'm super stoked because I'm using regular SD cards at the moment, but this is gonna read and write way faster than my SD cards, so I can shoot at a higher quality. And I'm really excited to see how this thing works, but it was not on a deal. It was $140 and no extra % off with the Amazon Prime Day. And with the CFExpress, my computer does not have a port for that, so I had to get a CFExpress card reader. So this was super practical, kind of boring, 40 bucks, no deal, but definitely needed it. So when you add all this together, total retail was $955 and I paid $730. So saved 225 bucks, pretty solid. So that was all the stuff that I got on Prime Day, and I'm curious if you guys grabbed anything, let me know in the comments below, and maybe I have to get some stuff after the fact. Now, don't subscribe if you love sitting in traffic, but if you hate it, subscribe. All right, take it easy.